Hi everybody. This video we continue the videos for the iShip, how to process and return shipment. On the last video we talked about how to process a shipment international. Okay, I just would like to let you know that overall after we finish this video series actually we will have like more videos giving you some very useful information about the best way to do some tricks already on the iShip. At this video, we'll cover how to process a return shipment. Okay, so I have the iShip is already opened. Okay, and this is the quoting screen. Okay, so just gonna make reset to make sure that we don't have anything, and then let's assume like we make a return shipment. Okay, from again Mississauga to Montreal. Okay, and it's gonna be a documents. So we process a return shipment as a document from Mississauga to Montreal. Definitely we're gonna do another one like return shipment from the States to Montreal. We can also give another example to do international return shipment, but let's go one by one. Okay, so this one, when you enter the information on the quoting screen, you will assume like you sending it, not returning it. So now I'm sending it to Mississauga, so I'm just gonna put the postal code for Mississauga. Let's say it's a L5N7S2, and then it's going to business and it's a £1, and let's say it's gonna be envelope. Okay, so Letter Express envelope, and it's packed by the customer, and then I will get rates. Okay, so here let's say we will go with the Express. Okay, and then I will click on process this package. On this section, which is processing a package screen, you have ship from and you have ship to. So I'm gonna put myself as a sender. Okay, and I will make it ship to. So this is gonna be from Montreal to. Let's add the information for ship to. It's gonna be to me, let's say, and it's attention me, amazing, and the address, let's say it's at 2602. Well, let's say address here 80 Absolute Avenue. Okay, I'm gonna say unit 602, and then it's gonna be Canada, and the postal code is L5N. We entered it already. The telephone number, let's say it's the same phone number, or let's have another one. Okay, and the email address. Okay. Mail.ca. Okay, and then we're gonna press OK. So now we have a document. Ship from is gonna be from Montreal to Mississauga, but again this one is a return service. Here, very easy, just to click on return. On the return service, when you just click on return service, you're gonna see the return service options coming right away. What is the return type? Is it one pickup attempt? Is it 3 pickup attempts? Or is it print return label? If you decided to print return label, it's gonna be printed on the spot right away at your store. If you decided to make a 1 pickup attempt, it's not gonna be printed, and you won't have the option to print it at the store, but the UPS driver will make 1 pickup attempt. Okay, if you decided to go with a 3 pickup attempt, they're gonna do 3 times. They're gonna pick it first time, if it's not, second, if not, and then the third. You just have to make sure that every pickup attempt you should charge your client for it. If it's a 1 pickup attempt, I just want you to watch the 3160 here when I select 1 pickup attempt. So it's a $7. Okay, some of the stores charging $10 already for your client. Okay, some stores charging 7 and 7, but you just have to make sure that the one pickup attempt is chargeable. You pay for it. Okay, so the second option here, delivery address, use customer address. So this is the customer address in this situation. In this scenario, this is the customer address. This is the sender's address. So the return is going to come from this address in Mississauga to this address in Montreal. So just have to consider that. Or use site address. Okay, the site address is going to be your store in this situation. It's going to be the default address, which is already on the system, on the iShip. The merchandise description, you have to put something here. So we're going to say documents. Okay. And then you just have to click on get rates again. Okay. You don't have to fill description of goods most of the time for the domestic, as we all agree about that. Okay. A connection to ship cannot be established. Click retry. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. So get rates. Okay. Now I think everything is fine. So let's make sure that the sender and the receiver is going to receive an email. So you're going to click on email notification, and on shipping, the sender will receive an email, and on delivery, and in this case, the receiver will going to receive an email, which is sender and receiver are the same here. So ship and deliver. Okay. So something you can notice it here that the signature choices is not applicable in this case. Okay. Do you think if I make this and select the signature before I click on the return, and then do I have the option ready to click on return service? No, you don't. So the signature as a choices is not an option here. Okay, so click on the return again. I'm gonna make select print return label because I want to show you the label. Okay, I want to see the label. So use customer address, or I'm gonna use the site address, and the merchandise I'm gonna make it again documents. Okay. And I'm going to select the express, and then I click on get rates because I know that this price should be changed. Okay, it does already. Okay, UPS. So ship from is okay, ship to is okay, address is being categorized as a business. This one shouldn't be categorized as a business, by the way. This one is should be residential. So I'm going to try something here to see if the system is going to validate or not. Has been changed, save address, and it's still hasn't been validated as a residential. Why? Because it just tried the name of a company here. Okay, so let's try the name of a person to see. Okay, and then press OK. Still, so the validation here, it doesn't show that this address is supposed to be residential or commercial. Okay, I'm just gonna pass this one. Okay, so but the address I mean is validated as correct. Okay, so probably you see that a question mark on the address here because it's been categorized as a business while it's not. Okay, so if I just change it to residence here and then click OK and then save address, you're gonna see that's still, I see the question mark here. The question mark, the small question mark over here, it means that it hasn't been validated, but you don't see it here because it's been already validated. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for now, but I will tell you different ways already to validate that in the future. Okay, and then I'm gonna just click one more time for get rates to make sure, and then I will ship it. Okay, this is a return service. You're gonna see here, okay, on this label. Okay, I know it's upside down. Okay, so this one, it's from Mississauga to the UPS store 345 in Saint Jacques. Okay, to the operator. So you notice already here, even you can see it here, delivered to UPS store. From where? The pickup is gonna be from 260280 absolute. So this one is a return service. Okay, and you don't see here there is any charge for the one pickup attempt because basically I didn't choose it. I just chose to print the label at the store right away. Okay, so it's giving me the total here. So this is basically a return service, and you see here RS on the top of the label, RS. So it's gonna be from Mississauga to Montreal and this is a return service, and it mentioned here too on the bottom of the label, return service. As you see, it's a very easy, but on the coming video we're just gonna talk about how to do a return service for the states too. And this is covering documents, but I'm gonna show you some tricks already to do it from the states as the documents, and as well I will show you how to do return for parcels too, but it's gonna be like under some conditions. So this is gonna be on the next video. Thank you so much.